Wow, it's so beautiful out here.
Radio check. How are you doing?
I can hear you loud and clear. I'm close. Can't wait to explore this legendary volcano. There it is. Ha! Looking good. There are about 900 active volcanoes on Earth. I hope this one's sleeping.
Remind me, what's the highest volcano in the world?
That would be Uiaco at the border of Argentina and Chile. It's 22,000 feet tall.
What? How do you even pronounce it?
Whoa, this volcano is smoking. I don't like this at all. Oh no!
Come on, move! The boat won't start!
Hey, what's going on there?
Hey bro, radio check. Report the situation.
I don't have time to escape! Oh, goodbye, friends! Ah!
Sounds so good. I hope you can swim. There are over 500 species of sharks, but only around 12 of those species have been known to attack humans. Statistically, the chances of a shark attack are low. You're more likely to be struck by lightning than become fish food. But just in case it does happen, there are a few things to remember. Sharks are opportunistic predators. They prey on wounded or defenseless animals. They are attracted to movement, so try not to panic or draw attention to yourself by splashing. That's better. You should try and get towards the shore quietly and quickly. Remember, you can't outswim a shark, so you might need to fight it off. There are signs that indicate that a shark is about to attack. These include circling, sharp turns, and the lowering of the dorsal fin. That attack looks imminent, so it's time to take action. Never play dead. The shark will think you're an easy meal. Always face towards the shark. You'll want to see what it's doing. You may have heard that punching a shark on the nose will stop it. It might work as a last resort, but it'll probably make a shark angrier. Instead, try putting something between you and the shark. That's a good idea. I hope you're feeling brave. Remember, this is just a simulation. Try aiming for the eyes or gills. Hitting these sensitive spots may startle the shark. You did it. Now let's get out of the water. Keep going. You're almost there. Congratulations. You survived a shark attack. This training session is over.
Ah, what a wonderful day. Oh no, not again.
Welcome to the virtual reality survival class. A huge meteorite is about to fall into the sea and cause an epic tsunami.
Come on, let's go.
You gotta leave the shore as soon as possible and find a shelter which is at least 30 to 40 meters above the sea level.
Hit the road. There's a mountain nearby.
Evacuation by car is risky because you can get stuck in traffic.
Oh, you're such a pessimist.
If you drive a car, you should slow down smoothly and move through an open area away from high buildings and bridges.
There are too many cars. We're stuck here.
Tsunami waves have the capacity to wash you away together with the car.
Oh no, look! The wave is here! Move! Oh no! Ah! Hurry up!
Made it! Phew! Ow!
He can't help us, Ava. We have to navigate this boat on our own.
Whoa, it's so shaky.
This weather is too stormy for a cruise. Watch your head, babe!
Look,
No time to panic. Let's get out of here.
ouch.
Ava, are you okay?
No worries. I'm all right.
Grab something and hold on tight. You can be washed away by a wave.
Okay. Look out.
Wow. This city is a hot mess.
Careful. Maybe we could try to get on a roof.
Yeah. It's not safe to stay on board. Are you ready?
Yeah.
See this building? We need to get inside.
Ava, where are you? Can you hear me?
Hey, wait for me. Everything's falling apart. It feels a little dizzy. Okay, let's try this way.
Oh, there you are.
Phew, I'm so glad you're okay.
Nice view, huh? No! Look out!
Ah! It's too strong!
Ah! Help me!
This can't be happening!
Ava, no!
She's not breathing. I'll need to give her CPR. It's 30 compressions in the center of her chest. Then 2 rescue breaths. Come on. I thought I'd lost you.
We can't go back out there.
We'll need to find another way out.
Come on, this way. Stay close.
We need to be careful. We need to get to higher ground.
Oh no, get out of the way!
I'm not giving up. We need to jump. Let's get out of here.